Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Let's get right to it. Today we're going to show you an awesome sawhorse setup that we use on our jobs and here at home. These things are great. We're just going to get them down from the attic. There's a Bora portable speed horse. They're good for 1,000 pounds. You get them at Lowe's for like 110 bucks. You can probably get them elsewhere too. I put a piece of wood on there just to use for sacrificing. They have legs that fold up. You hit a trigger here and the legs just fold out. And that's it. Down here, they have a little step assembly if you wanted to put some lumber on there. I keep them folded up so I don't trip over them. But these are really solid. So what we do is we take these and we set up an actual table. And that's what we're going to do right now. We'll have that magic attic lift go upstairs. Here's the next one. To fold these up, you simply pull the trigger handle, pull that trigger handle, then closes in, flip it around, close it in again. I'll show you how we put this together. We got these boards, they're about 6 feet long. On the end of each board, we have the screws we need, and we just store them in the ends. Then what we have are 3 cross members. Oh, I better finish the front. And that just holds everything together. Now we've got 3 cross members, and we have this one labeled number 1, this one labeled A and B, this one labeled number 2. So here's how we put this together. Mary will show you in the camera, we've got some smiley faces on the ends of the lumber, and in the eyes, that's where we have the screw holes. And that's how we set this up, which is pretty funny. But it works. It just takes a few minutes to set up. Some people do. So I'll just pull up on a job. We'll take a few minutes, put everything together, and that's it. So this is the sawhorse setup right here. And then if we had 4x8 sheets of Advantech lumber, we would pick them up and put them on here. And now to show how stable this is great. It may wobble a little bit when I'm on here, but once we put the plywood down and we start doing our work, we can get all around everything. We've made it 6 feet so things hang off. We just set our saw to cut just a little beyond the thickness of the wood we're working with. We just make little sacrificial cuts, and it's actually a wonderful system. Stay tuned, because in the next video, we're actually going to use this sawhorse setup and cut a piece of butcher block we bought that we're going to put on top of this US General Series 3 work cabinet that we got from Harbor Freight. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this sort of thing. And thank you so much for watching, and definitely share it with your circle. We'll see you on the next video.